So hello guys, welcome to my channel at Day Are Your Bet Predict. The channel that's giving you guys the best horoscope prediction, betting strategy, and betting prediction. Now, don't forget in the last video, actually not in this particular channel, but in the other channel, I posted a video informing you guys about our masterclass tutorial group that is going to start on the 1st of April, which is today. And I decided to come to this particular channel to inform you guys to about it. So don't forget, I said in every month we'll be working on just 4 strategies. So for example, I mentioned of handball betting strategies, the double chance, or let me say the uh, home team handicap betting strategies. We have the first half basketball total points. That is the first half basketball total points, and also the booking points total over prediction. That one is under the football games. And so in the yesterday game, I decided to test one of the strategies, which is the handball, because I know that many people are not really familiar with this particular sport games, handball games, handball sports games. And what one thing about this particular game is that the odds offered by the bookmakers are impressive. When you are checking on these two games and you are able to accumulate just 2.5 odd or like above in just with just 2 games in one ticket. And checking on it, you can see that the odds that I'm having is currently 1.53 odd, and these are the things that we are going to be treating in the tutorial group. So let me show you the other one. So in addition, I decided to test the home team handicap, or let me say the home or draw techniques. And in addition, I decided to add up the corner prediction to it. Actually, the corner is currently under observation, and that one will be treated probably um, in the month of May, because as you guys can see, we already have our 4 strategies that we are going to treat on in the month of April. And each week we are going to be treating one strategies. For example, the first week of this April, we are going to treat on the how to you can predict the booking points, and the second week we are going for the handball. The handball can give you guys a very big odds, and it is very easy to win, even compared to that of football and basketball. So they are very easy sports games to predict on. So now, as you guys can see, we have the home or draw predictions. But the home or draw predictions, the problem there is just that you may not be able to get big odds like other strategies, but the accuracy there is fantastic. When it comes to using the handicap, one thing about the handicap is that you have 99% of accuracy if it is not 100%. But unfortunately, the odds offered by the bookmakers are not that very much or impressive like that. So that is the reason why you have to make use of the techniques of mixing some strategies together, like using the corner, um, the booking point, or the handball, and so on like that. So we are going to treat all the 4 strategies in this particular month of April. And I want you guys to know that in case if you are ready to join us on our masterclass tutorial group, if you are ready to join us on our masterclass tutorial group, just check the video description. You are going to see our social media handles there, and you can join us both on Telegram and on WhatsApp. So thanks for watching, guys. Now after this, I would like to share you guys some predictions, actually predictions. And don't forget, I always tell you guys that if you want to be engaging in these particular sport games, it's not meant for, there are some people that have already see it as their only source or means of becoming successful in life. Actually, this thing is just for entertainment. So make sure you engage in responsible gambling and don't stay with amount that you cannot afford to dispose. So let's move on. So guys, I will be sharing some 4 odd tickets with you guys, like 4 odds in 2 places. So if probably you are using Sportybet bet platform, or you are using other bet platform. So for people that are using other bet platform, so this is the purpose of showing you guys how you can predict stake on this game. So Stoke City versus Huddersfield, you can stake on over 8.5 corner, and Sunderland versus Blackburns, you can your Blackburn, you can stake your games as over 8.5 corner also. So West Bromwich and Watford, we should be expecting over 8.5 corner prediction. So Ipswich Town and Southampton, we should be expecting over 8.5 corner, and the same thing as Leeds United and Hull City. So we should be expecting over 7.5 corner in this particular game. Now, for people that are using Sportybet, if you are highly interested in accessing the code, check the video description. You are going to get it there. In addition, if you know that you want to join us in our masterclass tutorial group, like you want to learn more on how to predict some strategies, and if you want to join our class, you can just contact us through our social media platform. Now, for Sportybet users, I'm going to drop the booking code in the video description. So if you check the video description, you are going to see the booking code there. So this is another 4 odd tickets. So this is the second ticket that consists of just 7 games, just 7 games. So the first games on the list is Bologna versus Salernitana. The prediction is home or draw. That's Bologna to win or draw. And when it comes to Villarreal and Atletico Madrid, the prediction for that one is over 2.5 booking. That is yellow card. At least we should be expecting more than 2 yellow cards in this particular game. So we have US Leeds versus Roma. We should be expecting more than 3 yellow cards in this particular game. That is over 3.5 booking. Checking KRC Genk, we should be expecting over 7.5 corner. And Club Brugge versus Brugge, Cercle Brugge and Club Brugge. We should be expecting over 7.5 corner in this particular game. So Leicester versus Norwich, the prediction for it is over 8.5 corner. And the last on this particular ticket is Middlesbrough versus Sheffield Wednesday. The prediction for that one is over 8.5 corner. Now, the odd for this particular ticket, also for Sportybet users, you can find it in the video description. Check the video description. You are going to see the booking code there. And for people that are using other bet platform, I'm sorry, you can just make your selection manually. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like our video. If you are just joining us, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell image under the video, that is under the subscribe, very close to the subscribe button, and click on it so that whenever we upload, or because sometimes I'll be posting some pictures, some codes, that like some games, some odds in the image. So by subscribing and pressing on the notification button, you'll be getting updates about how we are dropping those codes often. So don't forget to like our video, share if you find it very interesting, and if you have any opinion concerning this our video content, you can just drop it in the comment section. And don't forget, come and join us in our masterclass tutorial group. Just join us and I'm going to put you guys through the process of how you can be part of us. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.